Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to log in to your Udemy account. So for that, first of all, open your preferred browser and go to udemy.com and then hit on enter. Now tap on the login button. In order to log in to your Udemy account, you have different options. You can simply log in with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. Or if you had used your email while creating your Udemy account, tap in your email and password. After you are done, tap on Login. So this is how you can log in to your Udemy account. That's as simple as that. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to like and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.